Hey guys, today we're going to convert our website from this to this. Or in simple words, I'm going to teach you how to add themes to your website. First of all, copy your website URL and add /wpadmin at the end. If it asks for a password, simply enter the one you chose while installing WordPress, which we discussed in the last video. Now click on Appearance. Then click on Add New Theme. Here you'll see a lot of themes to choose from. For now, we're going to go with the Vantage theme. Just click on the search bar and type Vantage. Then click Install, and after that, click Activate. I've already installed this theme, so I won't be able to install it again.